waiting to land over there, folks, is Aegean of Athens. Boeing Airbus A320-271 Neo, I think that is. The aircraft came into service in November last year, so the aircraft's about 8-9 years old, something like that. It's just travelled just shy of 1,500 nautical miles. With the registration Sierra X-Ray November Echo Foxtrot. And making its way onto the runway is Ryanair Boeing 737-8 going to Oslo, which is just shy of 600 nautical miles away. The Boeing 737 is somewhere over there. The aircraft came into service in March 2006, making the aircraft 17 years old, with the registration number Golf-Romeo Uniform Kilo Foxtrot.